Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Toyota Sienna. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need a 14mm wrench or socket for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan with at least a 5-liter capacity. Make sure you have about 7 quarts of new 0W20 synthetic oil, a new oil filter, and a fresh drain plug washer. Warm up your engine for about 10 minutes, then safely raise and support your vehicle on jack stands. Now let's get that old oil out. Find the oil drain plug on the bottom of your engine's oil pan. It's usually a 14mm bolt. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully unscrew the plug and let the hot, used oil drain out completely. This might take several minutes. Once it's mostly drained, inspect your drain plug and remember to replace the crush washer with a new one for a tight seal. With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter and be ready for a little more oil to come out. Take your new oil filter, lubricate its rubber gasket with some fresh oil, and screw it on. Tighten the drain plug to 30 foot-pounds and the oil filter to 18 foot-pounds. Finally, pour about 6½ quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic oil into your engine. You're almost done. Carefully lower your Toyota Sienna back to the ground. Start the engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil throughout the system. Turn it off, wait a moment, then check the oil level with the dipstick. It should be between the min and max marks. Lastly, reset your maintenance reminder light through your vehicle's display to complete the service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.